How can Chatgpt be used as a tool for mental health support according to the USC study? With rising mental health challenges, understanding AI's role in support could change how you seek help today. A recent study from the USC Viterbi School of Engineering examined how ChatGPT handles mental health questions. Researchers tested the AI's ability to respond empathetically and accurately to common mental health issues. This study is significant because it highlights how AI might serve as a first line of support, especially when immediate human help is unavailable. The USC team evaluated ChatGPT's responses for clarity, helpfulness, and sensitivity. The study found that ChatGPT offers quick, accessible support by answering mental health questions in a way that feels supportive and non-judgmental. For people facing barriers to traditional therapy, this means they could receive guidance anytime, anywhere. While it's not a replacement for professional therapy, ChatGPT can help bridge gaps, offering coping strategies and information that might ease distress before professional help is available. Despite its benefits, the USC study also cautions that ChatGPT is not a substitute for licensed mental health professionals. The AI can sometimes misunderstand nuanced emotional states or fail to recognize crises that require urgent intervention. Users should be aware that while ChatGPT can support basic mental health questions, serious or complex conditions still need expert human care. It's essential to use AI as a supplementary tool rather than a primary source of mental health treatment. Looking ahead, the USC Viterbi School of Engineering plans to refine ChatGPT's ability to handle mental health queries with greater empathy and precision. Researchers want to integrate safeguards to better detect when users need urgent help and guide them appropriately. This ongoing work could make AI a more reliable mental health companion, enhancing support accessibility while maintaining safety and ethical standards. For you, this means ChatGPT can be a helpful, immediate resource if you're feeling stressed or anxious and need quick guidance. However, it should never replace reaching out to a mental health professional for serious issues. Using ChatGPT as a first step or supplement can empower you with information and coping tips, but always prioritize human care when needed. Stay informed and consider ChatGPT a new tool in your mental health toolkit. ChatGPT's growing role in mental health support means you have a new, accessible way to get help instantly. The USC study shows promise, but also warns it's not a replacement for professional therapy. Use AI wisely as a first step, and always seek expert care for complex or urgent mental health needs. For more insights like this, subscribe and stay updated on how technology is shaping your world.